Welcome. If you want to check battery temperature in your Samsung Galaxy A51, at the first you have to go for the Play Store, tap on the search pool and type Ampere. Okay, let's stop and try again. We have to find this application, Ampere, from the branch app. When you download that application, you have to simply open it. Right now, when you get here any notification permission or something like that, you have to accept everything. And then when you slide on the right side, for example, you can find temperature and displays. So here we get the different themes of the same data. And as you can see, here we got the exact capacity. So there we got 3890 milliampere hours. But when you go for the details in your smartphone, we will find something different. So there we got the different battery capacity, and of course the battery temperature is in this place. So we can find temperature and the capacity and also other stuff. So if you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe.